Hello guys, so today I'll be installing Anker Eufy Security Video Doorbell 2K on my house. So this is the front of the house. There's the bell, and that place. If I install it there, I probably don't need the 15-degree wedge because it's facing forward pretty much. And it will show the whole front yard from that angle. You can find the circuit breaker on the side of the house, and that's my dog barking because I'm here. And as Anker suggested in the manual, make sure you turn off the breaker so you don't electrocute yourself. They are labeled like this, so you want to try something that will not make the doorbell ring. So probably the main door or garage or Xmas Christmas FAB. I don't know what that stands for, but one of those should work. Time is installed. I'll have to remove the cover and bypass the existing chime so that the new doorbell has enough power to power it up. Step 3, we have to bypass the trans in front, and they label everything like this, so it is easy to find which part we need. And we need to bypass these two, connect these two to bypass the existing chime. So next step is to remove the doorbell and detach the existing doorbell from the cable. So I already unscrewed the doorbell. So here it says to pull it out, but if you don't want to damage the existing cable, you might want to just unscrew it a little bit, then it will just unwrap itself from it. The next step would be installing the bracket, which would be this one. So this side is up, and then I will have to make the existing cable come through here so we can connect to the Eufy doorbell, and these screw holes will need to be used to attach it to the wall. You need to make sure is that you should not let those two lines touch each other. That might short circuit the circuit and damage whatever is in the bag. Now I have installed a bracket, and all I need to do is connect those wires to these two screws. The manual says it doesn't matter which one I connect to them because it's alternating current, and then just pop it in and then install the chime. So all you have to do is just tighten the screw while the cable is on there, and that's all. And then you just need to pop it into that bracket. When it's installed and then attached to the bracket, all the wiring is already done. I connected to the chime. So first, when it was installed, the light here was only yellow, so I had to connect it to the Wi-Fi. It's Bluetooth on my phone first, and then it connects to the Wi-Fi of the house. And then after I connected to the chime, it started turning blue. And then if I press it, I can hear it ringing here, and then it also rings the noise from the chime as well. I installed the chime on the corner of the house, right under the stairs, and there's a button on the side that will change the chime sound. There's few ringtones that you can select, and this side of button changes the volume. that's it for today's video. This was pretty easy to install. I have no um, electrical background, but it was pretty easy. It doesn't look pretty as I hope right now because of all this, brick wall and the bracket that was removed. Maybe there I could install back the bracket and attach this to the bracket so it looks better. And the new chime has a lot of sounds, volume that I can set to, and it does sound louder than the original one, so I think it's pretty good. So thank you for watching. Bye bye.